1. Next, 2 less than, 2 greater than 1, 0. Then we have 1. 1. Subtract from 1, we get 0. Then we have 1. Pareha? Asa mas dali? Okay, next. Depende sa inyo kung ano ninyo. Kanibang. Okay, guys. How many different numbers we can have in a certain number of bits? Let's say, for example, if we have 5 bits, ilan na siya? Just 2 into the number of bits, and for the number of bits. Kung 5 bits, let's say 2 into 5, ilan na siya? That is the number, the number of, or number of different numbers we can have in 5 bits. How about the range? You can use this formula starting from 0 up to